Hi
Ashok.
Asha,
Hi Urmi, how are you?
I'm good. Yeah, how are you? Been raining
Very
like
good.
like crazy
I
in Mumbai.
know. It's raining like crazy since yesterday, no?
But anyways, so like coming to Abhay to like tell me a little bit about the
Yeah.
character and the role.
The character is playing a journalist who is very opinionated, very strong character, and मतलब ऐसे जल्दी से हार मानने वालों में से नहीं है. So it was a challenge playing it because अभी तक whatever I've done has been like very girl next door, damsel in distress type of character. So yeah, the character is very strong. It has layers and shades. So, but yeah, a lot of things in the show that surprise. By the end of the episodes, they'll get to see so many people. There'll be a little surprise. Like Raghav is in one of the last few episodes, so it is going to be a surprise watching him play such a character. And yeah, my character is also. It has a lot of shades. So yeah, it was a lot of fun shooting for it because something that I have not really done before.
And also, like you're talking about being an opinionated journalist. I think journalists are now like the thing on social media. They tweets whatever on TV, and I'm sure like everyone, you also must have grown up like seeing these figures on TV, and just absorb like bits and pieces from each one of them. So when you were just
Yeah,
like
correct.
when you were developing the character, did you have anyone in mind?
So I had Barkha Dutt in mind. And on Instagram, Faye D'Souza, I follow. She's also
Okay.
very good, like, with her posts and everything, very cut to cut. So, yes. And the way Barkha Dutt, how she, during panel discussions, how she is with the audience, how she is with the panelists. And I think being in this field also, I mostly surrounded by journalists. So that really helped. And bachpan se when parents used to watch television news, so the way they say news, the news reporting way, the accent and the way they say it, so I think all of that really helped.
So as a news consumer of like electronic media, like what is the kind of news you like keep a check on like daily?
I do see the headlines. Sometimes, I follow a couple of apps or जो भी headlines आती है, but still कहीं ना कहीं, sometimes when something catches my eye and I go on it, it's not really news. So that's what I'm saying, that I follow Faye D'Souza on Instagram, and she does give you like, actual facts, like
Okay.
what exactly is happening. Otherwise, I can't like sit and watch news channels and all those debates happening.
Okay. And do you like keep a track of celebrity
Yeah.
news like?
No, yeah, no, not really. In fact, I try, disconnecting with all that jitna ho sakta hai, because I just want to do my work. Go, do a nice project, a nice character, significant character, good project I want to do. I just want to do my work and come back home, be in peace, watch my shows. That's it. I don't want to keep a track of what's happening in other actors' life or mine. But kabhi kabhi, what I do, I will confess this. I go to Google and type my name and I see what pictures are there. So that,
Okay.
if people type my name, what pictures do they see? And there's such rubbish photos. I always get disappointed.
Coming back to Abhay, and on this show like a lot of TV actors now are preferring to take up work on the web because they like the way the characters are written, the story, the budgets in which it is mounted and all. So how would you say it has changed the avenues
Yeah.
for y'all?
I think, yeah, I've said it before that I feel web is like a beautiful bridge between films and television. And abhi to I feel web is the king because films ka bhi kya ho raha hai, everybody knows, the theaters and everything is shut. So, kahin na kahin, and us coming from television, I feel I'm very, very grateful to television for giving me, for making me who I am. But the way web is shot, I think we get a lot of cinematic liberty when it comes to playing the character, or when it comes to doing that project, language, or whatever. I think we do get a lot of cinematic liberty. And also, you do one project, you do it for a month or two, max to max 2-3 months, and then you are done with it. You can move on and do something new, and it doesn't even hamper with your creative satisfaction. So I think अभी 2-3 साल तक एक शो करना तो थोड़ा पेशेंस के बाहर है. But yeah, web is something that I think that is the reason that everybody is looking forward to.
How was it like working with Kunal and Ram Kapoor, sir?
Ram sir, though I have worked before na. When I was very new to the industry, I worked with him in Bade Achhe Lagte Hain, and I was almost a struggler and did not remember my lines. Used to fumble so much, and he used to be so sweet to me, both of them, Ram sir and Sakshi ma'am. And I think that really helped me, become a kind person in life. And yeah, the shooting again with him was very nostalgic with Ram sir, and we were having a lot of fun remembering, recollecting the old moments, old times, how we shot. And Kunal is very chilled out, very easy, and very helpful, very talented behind the scenes also. People know his talent on screen, how amazing as an actor he is. But even when it comes to behind the scene jobs, like working on the script, working on the dialogues, he's very talented. So I think yeah, both of them were amazing.
Like talking about the web, like even in Barish, the second season, when people saw you, they were a little surprised,
Hmm.
seeing you shed your inhibitions and go ahead and do those
Yeah.
super romantic moments with Sharman and all. So even for you, personally,
Yeah.
how was it like the journey of having to break apart from one mold and get into this new one?
While I'm in television, so it hardly happens that you have to kiss or do any bold scenes for the show. But when I was doing OTT, when I was entering OTT, I was very clear that if the scene requires, if the show requires it, I will be okay doing it, and I was very clear about that since the beginning of my OTT journey. So I think, uh, yeah, I was okay with it, and I was very uncomfortable while doing it, which is my first time doing a kiss on screen. But I think my director and Sharman, they were so sweet. They made me feel so comfortable that I was okay doing it, and I was very clear that if the scene requires, if the story requires, I'll be okay doing it. And yeah, I was okay. And yeah, a lot of people did have a problem seeing me like that, but it's okay. You need to
Yeah.
grow in life. You need to do everything. If you're an actor, you need to do everything.
Would you be open, like if you got a very good role in a TV show, to take it up?
I always say that whether it's films, television, or OTT, if I get like a great project with a great character, like I need to be satisfied playing that character. And if the television show is a finite show, I will do it.
And Asha, right now on social media, there is this huge debate on this insider and outsider, and how, like Bollywood belongs to an elite set, and it is very difficult for people to get a level playing field when there are so many talented actors in the country. What do you feel about it?
There is nepotism. I will not say that nahi hai aisa coach and the outsiders do get, due. There is, but I think at the end of the day, talent speaks. अगर आप में talent नहीं है तो एक दो movies के बाद आप नहीं चल पाओगे. And but if you are talented, there is something in you that people want to watch, then you will keep getting work. And a lot of people from television have done great work in films and have proved their talent and have got great breaks. So yeah, I think if I talk about myself, then I am very, very grateful for whatever I have got, coming from a small town to knowing nothing, and meeting such kind people in the industry, Ram sir, Sakshi ma'am, Ekta ma'am, and getting work. I think I don't think I should be thankless about what I have achieved or what I have got in the journey.
Aisha, like everyone, whether it was Irfan sir or Manoj Bajpayee, somewhere they have all started from television. And people who have seen the work of TV artists in movies or in any other avenue are full of praises for them. And we all know how TV actors, have to work. Like it's 14 hours, 18 hours. You have to deliver
Correct.
like maybe 12 scenes in a day. You have to finish. Like it's very challenging. But how do you think TV
Hmm.
prepares an actor?
I think TV really trains an actor. Um, Whether it comes to remembering lines, whether it comes to working for insane hours, and I feel that television actors में patience भी बहुत होता है. क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं वो टेलीविजन की ट्रेनिंग होती है कि आपने पता नहीं 24-30 घंटे काम किया होता है
जी
एक साथ,
बिल्कुल, हाँ।
and you don't even get like a hi-fi treatment on set. You are like, you get your van or you get your room, and how it isn't how it happens with big stars, you know what I'm saying,
Yeah.
getting your own spot by that doesn't happen. We start from scratch, and I think that does help you keep very humble and down to earth. So yeah, television does give you a great training.
But has it ever happened with you, like you wanted to audition for a movie or something, but you were not even considered for an audition because you were a TV actor, and that like really left you feeling, oh God, this is unfair?
No, I feel not as a TV actor, but yeah, maybe I have auditioned for films, and maybe maybe I was not. Maybe they got somebody who was like a better part for the better suitable, more suitable for that part. And I think I'm doing my own thing. I'm doing good work. I'm happy with it, and hopefully I'll do better work in future. And yeah, मतलब ऐसे कभी ये नहीं हुआ है कि I've auditioned for something and a less talented person has got it. So yeah, I can't complain.
So like tell me like some interesting snippet from the sets, any fun anecdote or any memorable scene or something.
It was a lot of fun shooting with Raghav because we both are from the same town, and we share a very like brother sister kind of a bond, and he was playing a villain, and I had to we both had like an intense scene, but it was just so difficult looking at each other. We were only laughing, so we were not looking at each other. I think it was a lot of fun shooting with Raghav, and of course Kunal is very chilled out, so set pe masti hoti rehti thi. The director is a good friend, Ken is a very good friend, Ram sir is so sweet. So yeah, मतलब जितना गोरी एंड जितना इंटेंस दिखता है उतना ही मजे हम लोग आई थिंक बिहाइंड द सीन्स करते थे.
And like everyone world over is glued on OTT platform, and they like to watch content from all over the globe. So which are your favorite shows?
Recently, I watched Social Dilemma, which is a documentary, and I think everybody should watch it. And my favorite shows are, I think, The Mad Men. Uh, Another show that I really like is Breaking Bad, and yeah, these two have been my recent favorite shows.
Finally, Asha, like for the past few months, like there was this extreme spotlight on your personal life, like everyone, Instagram, they were like cryptic tweets, ye dala hai, and especially because a lot of fans, like millions of them, were so invested in both of you. So, how did you two, just get over the phase?
Yeah, we've tried our best, and I think I've been very vocal about it, and not kept it a secret, the both of us. Like, it is something that everybody knows now, and we have tried. We are also humans at the end of the day, is what I said last time, that it's yeah, I understand that a lot of people had invested, and we understand that investment that they have done, and the love and support that we've got. We will never be able to forget that, and we are there. Like, it's not like we've just vanished. We are there. The both of us are there. He's there, I'm here, and we acknowledge that love and support, and we will always do that.
Thank you so much, Asha. It was wonderful chatting out. And all the
Thank
best for
you,
this.
me.
All the
Same,
best.
yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you.